It's like my saber. Let's do this. I'm living in 897 square feet while I'm renovating it, and it's pretty rough. There's no furniture in here except for this chair back here. So it's a little crazy right now, and the whole heating situation yesterday really threw off the paint schedule that I had in place, because we spent most of the day and morning yesterday figuring out why heat is not coming out of my HVAC. So we still don't know why. And so now I have this little friend over here. Hi, little friend. He's keeping the place warm. So thank you, little heater, for making it where these walls are not ice cold, so we were able to start painting. At least you guys have some entertaining content to watch while I'm dealing with all my chaos. And before you start painting, the most important thing is making sure you prep your walls to make sure you're working with a good foundation. So the easy thing sometimes for people to do is they just hammer the nails flush to the wall, but that's an easy way out, and you don't want to do that because then you're going to be painting over a bump, and you're going to see that in the paint. So we've shimmied this out a bit, and what you want to do is you want to continue shimmying it out with a hammer, like so. And see how easy it was to remove that nail? And then you don't have to hammer it back in. But what we want to do is we want to make sure that now we spackle this hole. And what we're going to do is we're going to let this dry, and then we're going to sand it down with some sandpaper so it blends in smoothly with the wall. Just that easy to prep your wall. Now we are ready to start painting. So I am using the Bare Premium Plus Flat White Paint, Ultra Pure White. And this is just going to take these walls to that brightness level that they really, really need. This is the brush that I'm using, which is fine enough that you can really get in to make sure that those lines are nice and straight. And just remember, the farther you come out with your cut-ins, that's a less depth to the ceiling that you're going to have to go with the roller. So the farther you can get this out, the less you have to risk having the roller touch your ceiling and get paint on it. Can you believe that's the difference in color? It's gonna look spectacular when it is done. These are 9-foot ceilings. We are ready to roll, but you gotta have the right tools. So we got these extension poles from Home Depot. All you have to do is they go from 4 foot to 8 foot, just like that. When you need to get high up, like these ceilings, and you don't want to have to stand on a rickety ladder, then this pole will do just the trick for you. And since I'm gonna start high and work my way lower, we're gonna extend this out just a little bit. We're ready to go. Ever since I purchased my condo, every single second I've been in it, I've been working on something. Cleaning the fridge, painting the walls, working on coordinating the staining for the floor. And you know, nothing good in life does not come without working really hard for it. So that's my long spiel, my 11 p.m. Savannah spiel on why I need to stop talking and get back rolling. But you guys get it. Y'all have a good night. I'm gonna be here rolling. I'll see you guys in the morning. By some miracle, we got the walls finished painting and all the living spaces. It already looks so much brighter in here. We were up so late last night painting, but they turned out really, really good. We still have to come and paint around all the trim, but the flooring is getting refinished in an hour, and then after the floors are refinished, we'll come back and we'll do all the trim work and paint that. How exciting.